Did you know the longest case of hiccups lasted 68 years? Yup, Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. That's over 430 million hiccups. Imagine trying to sleep, eat, or even go on a date with that going on. It all started after a fall while weighing a hog. Something triggered his diaphragm, and it just never stopped. Doctors tried everything. Nothing worked. He finally stopped hiccuping just a year before he passed away. Talk about hiccups with commitment. Like and follow for more mind-blowing mini facts.